Hmm. So, look, I bought my meal now, and look, I have to do this. Huh? I have to remove my neck. Remove my neck. That was the freedom. But I have to put someone's neck who was trying to frame me. Frame me for what? You know what? There will be shits like pregnancy. Huh? Then other any other more framing must be there. So you tell me, do I deserve this for police complaint? Do I deserve this for asking forensic report? No, right? So this bank fraud and all this guy who loots people, uh, I just have to loosen him a little bit. I have to show him that you won. You won, boy. Your pimping worked. Now pimp the entire Mumbai now. You sold the rapture. I wanted your name on record. Because the moment I loosen up, that I give permission, I still have permission. Go sell. Because that's my freedom. You sold it, I didn't. Your pimping worked, I lost. You sold it, I didn't. So tackle Mumbai, tackle Goa, tackle Dharavi, whatever you can tackle, tackle. After all, you have those stolen drives from Chembur scammers. That means the boy must be having, right? The one who tried what do you digging and getting out what this matter is. So that I bet that must be the same guy who deleted the portable hard disk data in 2022 while it was kept here. So uh, it was damn necessary to make them sell. That was my freedom because they have to tackle every shit now. On what circumstances I gave it away? I got fed up, right? What circumstances? I got fucking fed up. Fed up of corrupt officers. So the matter is, uh, now corrupt officers will be asked. ये क्या किया तुमने बेचने क्यों लगा है so look they have to manage here and all their life they have to manage here Mumbai here there the film industry I don't have to manage anything the only thing is I have my clearance in court of course they have to give me if they are not giving the reports I have the evidence of clone phone selling data so they have to give me clearance no then do the fucking investigation and they won't corrupt officers will won't do the investigation because they are getting paid by what by the same material they tried framing me what material have you got it so pregnancy the lot of stuff is gonna come was gonna head up was heading towards me I could see clearly same thing happened in Chembur so it was gonna land up on me here too but before getting at that level I took a step back I don't want this shit I don't want this shit so get me the clearance only thing is I don't have that escape route I'm lacking that thing I don't have that escape route In return, what they'll get? They'll get a honest, hard-working filmmaker. They'll not get what do you call it? Some rotten scammer. They'll get a hard-working filmmaker. But do not enter his personal life, like where he goes and where he drinks, where he fucks, which club. It's none of anyone's business. So the one who deals will get a hard-working filmmaker, but the deal is get me out of the country. They will get a money-making machine. So, just get me out of this country. This country is rigged completely towards scam and bank frauds. And probably the corrupt officers are doing this. So, get me out of here. That's the escape, which I am lacking. I don't have that escape. But I ain't gonna stop. I'll find something. But clearance is for sure, because the moment court says they won't provide forensic report, they have to clear me. I'm not to be bothered. This clearance is very necessary. They themselves will say that we won't bother you if forensic report are not given. They themselves will say. Because I did my job of informing the police and court. They themselves will say, yes, he did. He came here. Even identity fraud. So, look, these are deal makers. They know how to shoot up few stuff and make a run out of it. But they have to do it all their life. If they're giving money, they have to do it all their life. If they are pimping their girl, they have to do it all their life. They have to do it all their life. Mumbai, Pune, Goa, wherever the data claim comes from. So this was the answer for, what do you call it? Freedom of mind. I wanted to remove my neck and put someone else's, and I caught the perfect fellow who is involved, and I have to remove my neck, and there should be a neck there. Otherwise, my neck is never removed. There should be a neck. There should be a name. There should be a name plate.